He fell off the nest. He was restless. My parents told him, be quiet, be here, we come in a minute. No, he just wanted to play. Now he fell. What about that? I wonder what kind of bird this is. I'm not gonna take him because his parents will treat him here in the ground, I guess. The problem is the cats. Are the cats that will probably hit him. Poor boy. I wonder where he fell off. If I saw his nest, I would put him back. But I don't know. Maybe if I could put him here. Hello, birdie. Say hi to the camera. Oh yeah, and he said hi. He's just looking for food. He's probably hungry. He's cute though.